very much for looking after Puddles for me while I go away with my mum and dad for the weekend. He really likes you guys. That's okay, Rapunzel. We love Puddles, don't we, Puddles? He's such a cutie. He'll be in safe hands with us. Don't worry one little bit. Okay then. See you later, Puddles. You be a good boy for Annya and Elsya. Alright, Mum says we'll be back about 4 o'clock on Sunday. I'll see you guys later. Have fun. Don't forget to give him his bath. See you later. Bye, everyone. I missed you too, Puddles. Okay, Puddles, what do you want to do first today? That little fella? You want to go and play outside? Okay, come on, Annya, let's take Puddles out for a little run in the garden. Come on, Puddles, try and catch me. You got me. You're so funny. Oh no, Puddles, be careful. Don't go over near those flowers. Mummy said there's bees over there. Puddles, come back. It's not safe. Oh no, Puddles, what's happened to you? Oh no, Elsya. Oh no, Annya, it looks like Puddles been stung by a bee. We better take him inside for a checkup. Come on, little fella. Don't worry, we'll look after you, Puddles. Annya, get my vet kit out of the cupboard. Okay, here you go, Elsya. Don't worry, Puddles. We'll look after you. We'll get you all better, won't we, Elsya? Okay, first we have to see if the sting is still in there. Annya, pass me my torch, please. Let me have a close look. Keep still, Puddles. It looks to me like the sting is still in there. We're going to have to get some tweezers to get it out. Okay, hold still. Don't worry, little fella, I got it. Now, what do we need next? That's right, ice. I can fix that. Okay, we're just going to put this little piece of ice on you, and that'll help the swelling go down. It's okay, keep still, little one. Just keep still while I put the ice on. That's a good boy. Good work, Elsya. It looks like the swelling's starting to go down. Alright, what do we need to do next? I might need to check your ears. Okay, hold still. I don't see any problems there. Other side. He seems okay, but we better check his temperature. Okay, Puddles. Keep still. It's okay, boy. Okay, right, now let me read it. Oh no, it says it's like 110 degrees. Elsya, we need to cool Puddles down and fast. That's okay, I'll just whip up a bit more ice. Elsya, we can't surround him in ice, he'll be freezing. Maybe we should give him a bath. Oh yeah, that's a really good idea, Annya. Would you like a little bath, fella? I think that's a yes. There you go. Scrubby, scrub. Look, Annya. I think his spot's nearly gone. you go. Scrub, scrub. I think he really likes the bath, Elsya. Be careful, Puddles. You're getting us all wet too. I've got a really good idea, Annya. Let's hang up our gowns and hop in the bath too. That'll be so much fun. I know, Puddles. It's a lot of fun. You're the cutest guy ever, Puddles. See you next time. Alright, Puddles, why don't you jump on Elsya? See you next time.
Hi everybody! We hope you enjoyed today's video. For more fun videos from Toys in Action, please like and subscribe. See you next time.